a gazillion years since I've last done a haul, so I thought I should go ahead and share with you guys some things that I've been buying for the past month or two. So yeah, it's gonna be a collective haul, although I wouldn't lie to you, there's gonna be like mostly makeup in it, but still there's gonna be some things that are not makeup-ish, they're more related to fashion and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get started. I will, however, start with makeup. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is the Maybelline Fit Me range. So I have the foundation and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and this is what it looks like. I also bought the powder. I bought the complete range, as I said, and I'm in the shade 130 Buff Beige in the powder. Then I got their blush in the shade 208 Medium Nude, and lastly I got the concealer, which is in the shade 10 Light. I've already reviewed all of these products for you guys, so I would leave a link of the review in the bottom bar, so you can go ahead and check out my review and see if this is something that will fit you. Continuing with Maybelline, I also bought their lip gradation, which are another recent launch by Maybelline. I got all of these off Habana.com, so these are exclusively currently available only on Habana.com. So yeah, I have all the shades because I wanted to review them for you guys. So for all the swatches, in-depth detailing and everything, you can again check out my review, which will be bottom bar. So I'll just quickly go through all of the shades because I have all of them, so just letting you know the names. So I have pink 1, I have pink 2, I have orange 1, then this is coral 1, then there is fuchsia 1, red 2, mauve 1 and red 1. I think I'll get done with Maybelline first and then I'll move on to anything. So I also got their Baby Lips Candy Wow. Again, these have been reviewed by me already. So all of the links that I'm talking about in this video can be found in the bottom bar. So make sure you open up the bottom bar and see everything down there. So yeah, I have all of the shades again. So the shades are Mixed Berry, Orange, Raspberry, Peach, and Cherry. I got the Falsies Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. This is amazing. I love this mascara. It is so nice and voluminizing and lengthening and everything. It actually makes your lashes look on steroids, so I really like this. And to finish off with Maybelline, I got two lipsticks. One is from their Color Show Normal range in the shade Fuchsia Flare. I haven't even opened this up yet. So I'll just open it in front of you guys because so this is their normal Color Show lipsticks and this is what it looks like. So just a quick tip, if you ever feel like knowing what a shade will look like on your lips but you cannot like apply it, just hold the bullet on your lips like this and you'll be able to see how it will look on you. And lastly, I bought this lipstick from their Creamy Matte range, which I love. I love Creamy Matte range, and this is the shade Lively Violet, and oh, this is so gorgeous. Like, I love this shade. This is such a perfect, you can say a nude shade with purpley undertones and taupey undertones. It just looks so gorgeous. I've been wearing this color so often. Like, cannot even tell you guys how much I love this. Moving to Lakme, I bought their Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Foundation. Again, I have a review up on this. I will link it in the bottom bar. So yeah, I am in the shade, if I'm not wrong, this is 02 Beige Vanilla. So I bought it and then the company sent one to me. So I have like two of them. This is still sealed and everything. And I don't even know what I'm going to do with this. So this retails for 575 rupees. And I forgot to tell you guys how much everything retailed for. So it's going to be in the bottom bar as well. So this mascara, I guess it retails for 475 rupees. And all of the other things, their prices would be in the review, so you can go and check it out, or you can just check the bottom bar. Then Maybelline Cream Matte, I think it retails for 395 or 299 rupees. I'm not really sure. And then normal Creamy Matte retail for 299, I guess. Again, all the actual MRPs would be down below, so check there for the actual MRPs. So the 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse retails for 575 rupees, and this is how it looks. It comes in a simple tube packaging like this, and it's rose gold in color. So that is what the 9 to 5 Weightless Foundation is all about. Then I also bought a Lakme Absolute White Intense Skin Cover SPF 25. I bought the shade 03 and this retails for 725 rupees. I bought this off Nykaa. It was on some sort of an offer, so I was like, purchase. So yeah, I bought this. I still haven't opened this. I do plan to try it out. Hopefully the shade will match me. Please match me. And while I was getting that foundation, I thought, well, I should also go ahead and get some 9 to 5 matte lipsticks because I really like their matte lipsticks. They're really gorgeous and easy to wear. So I got this shade Red Chaos, which says it's a Red Chaos color, but it's actually a beautiful nude color. This was recently in my top 10 matte lipsticks as well. I love the color. It's a gorgeous nude color. And then I also got the shade Wine Play. These lipsticks retail for 450 rupees, but as I told you guys, they were on some sort of an offer, so I do think I got them for around 350 or 375 rupees. So yeah, Wine Play is a darker color and this is what it looks like. Although it's not exactly wine, I feel it should have been named something like Brownie Points or something. But yeah, nonetheless, I really like how it looks. Then I got two lipsticks from Soul Tree. Soul Tree is like an organic Ayurvedic line, so they are launching makeup as well. So yeah, I got two lipsticks and this is what the packaging looks like. I really like the way they are packaged, so nice and, you know, boxed and everything. So these retail for 550 rupees per piece, and as I told you guys, I've gone in two colors. One is Sunshine and one is True Brick. So I'm going to show you Sunshine first. So you just open the lipstick box like this and there is the lipstick inside, which looks like this. This is the shade Sunshine. It smells like rose though, so I haven't still used this till now. I do plan to use this someday, but I still haven't used lipsticks by Soul Tree. And then for True Brick, oh, the packaging, did I like open it wrong? Yep. So True Brick is actually a very browny red color. This is what it looks like. So it's actually like a brick shade. Don't know how to explain that further than that. It is like a brick shade. Brick. Then I bought some stuff from Studio West. I love Studio West's product. I think their quality is just amazing, and especially the prices they're offered at, they're really good. So I bought the Studio West mascara. This retails for 375 rupees, and I'll show you the wand. This is what the wand looks like. It's just a normal wand. It's not something very extraordinary or amazing, but the mascara is nice and voluminizing, and it's really black. So if you are someone who has lighter lashes and they want their eyelashes to look jet black, then this is a really nice mascara to go for. And then I bought Studio West Pure Passion Flawless Finish Compact. This is what the packaging looks like, and it retails for 495 rupees. I'll show you what it looks like from the inside. I really like how classy it looks. Like, it is matte black and it has some like glossy lines all over it, and then you can just open it like this, and it has a mirror right there, a sponge, and the compact powder. So it's just like this. Oh yeah. So yeah, that is how the compact looks like. Then I also bought the Studio West blush. This is in the shade Dusty Rose and it retails for 395 rupees. You know, their quality and their packaging is so like high-end products, but their pricing isn't. And I haven't still used this. It's a gorgeous color though. So I'll just open it up and show it to you guys. So this is what the packaging looks like. Isn't the packaging so gorgeous? And the color in itself is so pretty. I love the color. It is really pretty. So yeah, I will use this as well someday, really soon, just not today. So Studio West had this offer going on that above a certain amount of purchase you get a makeup remover free. So I got the makeup remover for free. This actually retails for 245 rupees, but because I bought products worth some certain amount, I got the makeup remover free. Then from Color Bar, I got their eyebrow pencil in chestnut and a lip liner in the shade Berry Rose. I'm not a very big fan of the eyebrow pencil, as you guys must be already knowing. Still, just wait a second, I'll show you. This is what it looks like. It has a spoolie on one side and it has the pencil on the other side. The spoolie is amazing. It does wonders. It does its job to perfection, but the pencil is where I have my issue. It is extremely creamy, so it tends to like fill in over than what is needed. Oh, I was about to say overtly, but then I realized that would be wrong. So it just fills in over than what is needed. And then for the lip liner, which is in the shade Berry Rose, I really like this lip liner. The color is beautiful and so is the pigmentation, and the packaging is amazing as well. So this is what it looks like. It has a sharpener at the top which you can close and open whenever you need. And then the pencil is right here. The color is a gorgeous hot pink color. I love it. Whenever I wear it, it just peps up my whole makeup and everything. So I really like this lip pencil. Then I got the Catrice eyeliner pen. I already have their eyeliner pen. This is my second eyeliner pen tube. So I got that. This retails for 660 rupees. So this is what it looks like. And I also got a nail polish from Catrice. It's a beautiful peachy nude shade which I really love. And the shade name is, just a second, let me see what the shade name is. The Salmon Dance. And this retails for 445 rupees. As I said, it's a beautiful peachy nude color, and that's what the name says as well, the Salmon Dance. So yeah, then I bought a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Antwerp. It's funny, I've had like gazillion lip creams from Miss Claire, but I still didn't have any lip cream from NYX, and I was like, what am I doing with my life? So I bought this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream from Impressions. The shade is beautiful. This is what the shade looks like. As I said, it's in the shade Antwerp. I also want to get like Sao Paulo and Cairo, I guess, or London. One of them, they're like a pretty nude shade, and I got this for 550 rupees. It retails for 700 rupees in Sephora, but at Impressions I got it for 550 rupees, which is what the actual MRP is, because I saw this on Feel Unique and it retails for 5.5 pounds, which is essentially, when converted and everything, 550 rupees. So yeah, I got this for 550 from Impressions. And while I was at Impressions, I also got the YSL Rouge Volupte Shine lipstick. Actually, my mom gifted this to me for hitting 60,000 subscribers. Like, for a second I forgot how many subscribers I hit. Like SJ fam, I have. So yeah, she gifted me this for achieving a certain amount of SJ fam members. This is what the packaging looks like. The packaging is absolutely divine and gorgeous. The shade name is Pink in Paris, and as I said, packaging is absolutely divine. I haven't still used it because I just got it the other day. So this is what it looks like. It smells nice also. Lastly, I got the Savannah Colors Blusher and Brighten Kit. I haven't again still used this. Oof, I think I should do another full face of first impressions. Let me let me know if you guys want to see another full face of first impressions. I think you guys are already like tired of seeing them over and over again, but if you still want to see it, I would love to do it. So yeah, this is what the blusher and brighten kit looks like. It has 3 shades, 3 gorgeous shades. Oh, it's sealed. Wait, I'll have to open it. Yes, so it has 3 gorgeous shades. All of them seem so promising, although I do not see which one is the blusher, which one is the highlighter, and which one is the bronzer. All of them look like a bronzer highlighter to me. So yeah, this is what it looks like. With that, I finished the makeup section. Now let's move on to her section. Or before that, I also got this mirror from a National Museum. I recently visited the National Museum and I bought this mirror as a souvenir from there. So it has a beautiful jewelry piece which is from the Karnataka. Yeah, it's from a late 19th century Karnataka. So it has gold, rubies, diamonds, emeralds in the print. Not actually. I wish they were there actually, but it's there in the print and it's just a normal mirror. So yeah, I just thought it was really cute, so I got it. Moving to hair, I bought a lot of things from BBlunt, so I'll just dive into and show it to you guys as quickly as I can because this video is like long. The first thing I have is the BBlunt Spotlight Hair Polish for instant shine. I like it, it's nice, it just gives hair a nice boost of shine, makes it look healthy. So yeah, I like it. And then I have One Night Stand Temporary Hair Color in the shade Copper. Again, I like this. It gives a nice copper color to your hair which looks natural, not like what's up. It just looks natural and it gives your hair a temporary sort of a makeover. If you just want something that's temporary, it won't be damaging or anything. So yeah, that's a nice option to go for. Then I got the BBlunt Back to Life Dry Shampoo. I thought they had changed the formulation because this time I used it, it like really worked. And then I went back to the older bottle I had, which I reviewed for you guys as well. I would link the review in the bottom bar for you. And I was like so skeptical when I reviewed it. So I checked that bottle. I got it off purple.com and I was so flabbergasted to see that purple.com had sold me a dry shampoo which was expired. So I was like, what? So that's why it wasn't working that well on my hair. It wasn't absorbing any oil or anything simply because it was expired. So I was really flabbergasted at purple.com. So yeah, I got another BBlunt Back to Life Dry Shampoo and this one actually works. So I was so happy to finally find a dry shampoo that is gonna work and it's not gonna be like on my hair. So yeah, likey. Then I got the BBlunt Climate Control Anti-Frizz Leave-In Cream. Again, I really like it. It just tames down your hair, and I just remembered my hair is damp right now, so I can apply it like right now and my hair would dry much more softer and not frizzy and good things like that. And I should stop singing. Then I got the BBlunt Blown Away Voluminizing Leave-In Spray, and honestly guys, I bought this like separately. It's not like all in one, no. So it's like thing. So yeah, I got the BBlunt Blown Away Voluminizing Leave-In Spray. As you can see, I've already used this to an extent and I like it. It gives it gives your hair a nice sort of a natural volume. It's not gonna give your hair like whoop volume. It's just gonna give it a nice sort of a, you know, fluffy effect. Not something, if you are someone who wants Amy Winehouse's hair, this is not gonna give you that, but it will generally give you sort of a Shri Devi hair, if you get what I'm saying. And then I got the BBlunt Full On Volume Shampoo and Conditioner for Fine Hair. I still haven't used this, I still have to use this, but I am following a hair routine right now, and once I change it, I would definitely try these two out. And my throat is dying on me. I will try these two out and I will let you guys know what I feel about them. Then BBlunt also sent over a Christmas gift full of their minis, which I love because I love miniature things. Those just get my heart. So yeah, I got the spotlight. So I have the full. Okay, I dropped it. So I have the full and the mini of the spotlight, and the mini one looks so cute, like it has my heart. And then I have the dry shampoo, which again I have in full size. Then I have another temporary hair color in the shade Blush Pink. So if you want something wazoo for your hair, then this is something to go for. I still haven't tried the Blush Pink color out. I've tried the copper one, but I haven't tried the Blush Pink. I'm gonna try this soon, and probably you'll see a photo on Instagram pretty soon. So yeah, then in other minis I have the HD High Definition Curl, which I remembered I also had, like the full size, and I cannot see it right now. So I also bought the full size product of the High Definition Curl, which is the Curl Defining Leave-In Cream. I do not have it right now, but I bought it. So yeah. Then I have the Anti-Frizz Leave-In Cream. Again, I have the full size of it. So these minis are like a great way to test out something before actually buying them, so you can know if they're gonna work for you or not. Then I have the Perfect Balance Shampoo for normal to dry hair. So I got that. And I think this is the last product, which is the BBlunt Gel O Natural Hold Gel, which I think is for guys, and they sent it to me, so I don't really know what to do with this. Then I also have some more samples which I got from Nykaa after purchasing stuff for 2500. They had this thing back in the day when you purchase stuff for 2500, then you're gonna get these samples and a pouch free. I don't have the pouch because I've stored something in that and it's like lying somewhere else. So, but I have the samples, so I'll show that to you guys. So I got the Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Scrub Tester. Then I got the Olay Total Effects Day Cream Normal Tester. Then I have the Avane Micellar Lotion Tester. These testers are great if you are someone who travels a lot, because you can just like pack these and be good to go. So then I have the Nivea Body Lotion Smooth Milk Tester. Ninja skills. And then I have the Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion for dry to very dry skin tester. And lastly, I have the Plum Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn Day Cream Tester. So I'm going to be testing out a lot of stuff. I also got this really cute makeup pouch. It is transparent pink, translucent pink, and it has neon detailing. So I really like this. It's very cute if you're travel freak and you just want something cute to brighten up your day while you're traveling. Coming back to hair, I bought this Coriolis Pro V flat iron. As I talked about in my full face of first impressions Nykaa haul, that I got this flat iron as well. It retailed for around 1800 rupees after like a great amazing discount, if I'm not wrong. And this is what it looks like. It's a great flat iron. It flat irons your hair really quickly. I used it in my birthday get ready with me as well, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, I got that. And then I got the Irresistible Me 8-in-1 complete curler. It has like 8 wands. I'm not really sure if I've like already shown this to you guys in some haul or not, but I'll just go ahead and show it to you guys. So yeah, it has 8 wands and it comes in a belt like this. So I'll go over the wands. This is gonna be one hell of a task. So yeah, there is a medium barrel, like I think this is like a 1-inch barrel, 1-inch barrel wand. Then there is a bubble wand. This gives really interesting curls. So yeah, I have the bubble wand. I'm really not sure if I've shown this in my last haul or not. Then there is like a really petite conical wand, a thicker conical wand. So these conical wands sort of give you like a looser curl at top and a tighter curl on the bottom, or vice versa. If you use it like this, then tighter curl at top and looser curl at bottom. It's just how you use it, and you can get different type of curls. Then there's a reverse wand as well, again for looser curls or tighter curls wherever you want. Then there's like a really thin, I think this is like 1/2 inch diameter wand. And a normal, I think this is 1-inch barrel wand. And the fattest, I think this is like 2.5 or 3-inch barrel wand. This gives nice, loose, voluminous curls. Obviously it comes with the base, which you would need for attaching all of the wands. It also has its own gloves and like a heat protecting gloves, and I think a stand as well for keeping the hot iron when, like curling iron when it's hot. So yeah, that is the Irresistible Me 8-in-1 Sapphire Curling Wand set. Now let's move on to fashion. There's not much in fashion, but I thought I'd still share whatever I've gotten in fashion. Oh, and I also found the BBlunt High Definition Curl Defining Leave-In Cream. It was somewhere here and I couldn't find it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I love the bright pink color. I've used this a couple of times and it actually makes your curl look really soft rather than crunchy or anything. So in jewelry, I got a couple of pieces of bellofox.com. They had this like great sale, everything for $2.99, flat $2.99. So I thought let's buy some stuff maybe. So yeah, I'll show you what all I got. So I got this beautiful dangling ear cuff. It has pearl detailings, which I really liked. So I thought let's get, although I would like to include that their quality isn't the best quality out there, but it's okay. I think like this is something I could have gotten in any other shop, like random shop. I feel their quality could have been better for the prices that they have to offer, but nonetheless I got this beautiful pearl dangling sort of a ear cuff. Then I got these two statement earrings. I've worn them a couple of times and I really like how they look. They're really edgy. They have thread detailing and triangular sort of a metal detailing here. So I really like the edgy funkiness that they have to them. Then I got these 3 metal rings. These are like really bold and thick bands. So I'm just going to show you like that randomly. I'm not going to go like put them all the way through in. But this is what they look like. You can wear one or you can just like layer them up like I try to do. And that's how they look. So those 3 rings were actually a set with these 3 midi rings. Again, as I said, the quality isn't the most great. I feel like they are oxidizing already. So this is what the midi rings, I hope you can see them. They're like really tiny, thin, petite midi rings. And lastly, I got these Greek sort of leafy earring pair. I hate it when I forget what I have to say. I got them basically for my Greek goddess inspired tutorial. So yeah, these are what the earrings look like. They look really nice when you wear them, but they started to hurt like a bitch after like 15 minutes. So fair heads up. Then I did not actually buy a lot of clothes this winter. I have like shitloads of clothes even after like taking out the clothes that I did not want to wear. So I was like, you know what, restrict yourself. So I just bought like 3 coats and all of them are from Stock by Love, so that says something. So I will start off with this first one, which is like a nude or beige trench coat, you can say. So this is what it looks like. It has double breast detailings, and it also has like a waist belt, so you can like tie it around. So this is what it looks like. I know I promised you guys a try on haul, but I will do a try on haul once I like buy a lot of things, like clothing things. But now I'm just gonna show you. So I also got this faux leather jacket. It's black and has golden zip detailings. This is what it looks like. Smells horrible, but this is what it looks like. I really like how it looks. It looks very grungy, edgy and stuff like that. And lastly, I bought another black jacket. This is quilted, but it's cotton, but it is slightly warm. So this is what the cotton jacket looks like. And to finish off the haul, I have 4 pair of shoes. Out of these 4 pair of shoes, 3 of them weren't in my footwear collection, which I would link again in the bottom bar for you guys because I bought them after shooting the footwear collection. So I'll just jump down and get them for you. So the first pair are these Uggs. Okay, why am I showing you the box? So I got a pair of Uggs because I really wanted to get a pair of Uggs. So this is what they look like. Normal Uggs. They have button detailing here, which you can like close your boot, and inside they are like completely fur, so you feel like you're walking on fur, which is the best feeling in the world. Like, trust me guys, that's like the best feeling in the world. And I do store them in plastic baggies because I do not want them to get ruined. All of the MRPs, as I said, will be in the bottom bar because I don't really remember all of the prices. Then I just randomly bought a pair of these pink booties which have a fur lining on top. Not real though. So yeah, this is what they look like. Again, I store them in plastic bags because I don't want to ruin them. So this is just random street shopping. I got them for about 500 rupees and I was like, yes! And they're really comfortable to wear. They're not like, ugh, I cannot wear them. So they're really comfortable to wear. There's like no issue in wearing them. My hair is going crazy. Then I got a pair of Steve Maidens, and these one retail for, this would have the MRP, right? 3499 or 3500 rupees, and these ones are like glitter bellies. I love how they look. These look so cute when you wear them on, and it's just really nice. Okay, I just really like how they sparkle. And for last pair of shoes, I got these ones from Adidas. These are pink in color, leather top, and this is what they look like. I actually got them for my walk because I was bored of my older pair of shoes, and these ones look really fun and stuff. I actually got these from the kids section, so yeah, they have like great pair of shoes in kids section. You should like totally check out kids section if you don't have like huge feet. So I don't have like humongous feet. So yeah, this is what the shoes look like. I really like, they're comfortable. They also come with some fancy technology which the girl was trying to sell me these shoes on the basis of. Little does she know I would buy them just for the color. Yeah, so it has some ortholite technology in them which makes walking fun. Nothing does that, but yeah, I got that. And with that, like not with that, but for the whole fitness thing, I also got like a Fitbit. This is Flex. I have been religiously wearing it, trying to cover like 10,000 steps per day. If you do want like a fitness routine and how I am trying to stay fit these days, then do comment below and let me know you would like to see a fitness routine. I would love to do it for you guys. And I guess that is everything that I shopped. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do not forget to comment, rate and subscribe. If you want a review on any of the things shown in this video apart from the ones that I've already done, you know what to do, comment below and I would love to review whatever you want me to review. So yes, also do not forget to check out all of my social media which would be linked in the bottom bar as usual for you guys. And I will see you guys day after tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.